Do I what? Do you have a Valentine? Hello and welcome back to another exciting vlog. Thank you guys for being here today and watching my vlogs and liking, commenting, subscribing. I love you all so much and I appreciate you all. Happy Valentine's Day. We're just gonna get into this vlog.
We're making some gourmet stuff tonight. Oh my goodness. Did you get all the love in the world from Delia? Is it hot? Too hot?
It's pretty toasty. Motherfucker.
Too hot? Okay, it's the moment of truth. Here we go.
That's bussin'.
They're hot.
You're already just that tall.
That was
It's weird that the cucumber is hot to me. I'd rather just have that on the top.
I almost feel like if it was cooler, it'd be a little bit better.
Hi guys, I wanted to show you my new clothing items that I got. First of all, I thrifted this adorable purse. Flea market, it's in Pasadena. Huge flea market. Let's just take a moment. Booney and Burke. Love. Another item I got from that flea market. I got this really cute corset. It's so tight, but it's just so flattering on, and I always have a problem with looking for corsets that fit me. This is gonna be super cute. I feel like I could wear it like this, like under the boob, or like over, you know? I don't know, we'll see. Then I got this beautiful blouse. Sorry, it needs to be steamed. The sleeves are adorable. I think it's super cute and I can't wait to style this. Silk skirt, I think it is super duper cute. And I got it in black and it has like the lace around it and like little slits. So cute. Love, love. Last but not least, this number. So cute. I posted a photo of me in it on my Instagram, so go check it out. But how cute is this? I don't know, you could just like style this in so many ways. Like you can like put it over so many things, like white tees, and it would still look really cute, or just like a bralette underneath. I don't know, you could do whatever you want with it, and I think it's super cute and very like vintagey 2KY vibes. So yep, it's this really cute corset from Princess Polly. I think this is so flattering, really snatches me in. So this cute little black mini dress from ITMES, very flattering. It literally sits on my body so well. Maybe I'll try everything on in another vlog, but wow, it's so cute. Last but not least, I have 3 different skirts. First one I got was from Lioness, and it's this beautiful long skirt, and it is sheer, so you can see through it. But the thing I love about this is like people will wear just, you know, like a Skims undies with it, and it looks so freaking cute. Another long skirt from Urban Outfitters, super cute. It's so just like elegant. You can wear it with like long boots, and they kind of just like, I don't know how to explain it. I'll dress it up, dress it down. And then I got the same one in a different color, kind of like this cream. So beautiful. This and this, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Well, that is it. Now I just need an excuse to wear all of this somewhere. So if anybody wants to hang out, hit me up. Oh, good boy. I would like to be included. This is our Valentine. What is this? Hello. Ow! Hello. So today we are going to make a Valentine's Day cookie house, gingerbread house. I don't think it should be that hard. I'm really excited to make it. I don't think it'd be that hard. There's no way ours is gonna turn out like this. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Do you see that? Do you see that? We're gonna try our best. Oh. Ooh. Icing. It's cute. And I'm wearing white. That's the roof. Okay.
Yeah, and then these are the sides.
Okay. This icing is not working. Oh wait, I need to put it on the bottom. On like that. Okay, don't touch it. That's freaking cute. Who's your Valentine?
Corbin.
Did he ask you to be?
Yeah.
He did?
Yeah.
How did he ask?
I think we're in the car and we're like cracking up about something. He was like, will you be my Valentine? And I was like, yeah.
So it wasn't in any significant way. It was just want to be my Valentine.
Yeah.
Thicken the sides.
Okay.
Use your muscles! Lyra!
It's okay.
Did it go inside?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. The foundation is founded. Do I what?
Do you have a Valentine?
I don't have a Valentine. You know what I do? It's myself. I'm gonna get myself gonna buy myself flowers. You know?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get myself flowers, chocolates, and take myself out for dinner.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it. I'm an independent woman. You know what? Every day should be Valentine's Day, okay?
Yes, the stuff.
Cute! 12 seconds later.
Let's show the people. Focus, focus. Look at how beautiful
That's my side of the window.
it is. Woo! Well, that's it, folks. Thank you for watching making of this house. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Thank you for being here and liking, commenting, subscribing. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see. I am getting very uninspired lately, so I definitely need a little bit of a push. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and until the next vlog, bye!